How to change MIUI 12 accent color. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the accent color on MIUI 12. And once we change the accent color, it is going to reflect in your quick settings panel. It is going to reflect in your buttons which you have. So let me go into settings, and then we can go into say display, and here we can go into dark mode. You will see that these toggles are right now in the blue accent color, and once we apply our mod, the accent color is going to change, and it will also apply to the back accent color as well. So here, as you can see right now, the accent color for back is set as blackish, and of course the Poco F1 is plagued with touchscreen issues anyways. So as you can see, I am running MIUI 12 based on Android 10 on my Poco F1, and this mod will also apply to your new control center. So we can go into settings and display and enable the toggle for new control center. As you can see right now, the accent color is set as bluish. So you do need to be rooted using Magisk, and you need to have Magisk Manager installed. There is no way which I am aware of which lets you do this without having to root your device. Next thing you need is a zip file, which is linked in the description of this video, and then we are going to open File Manager and change the view to the folder one. And now you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the file. In case you downloaded the file on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder, and this is the file which we're talking about, 12 colors pack. Select the file and then say extract here, and it is going to create a folder in the download folder, and inside this you have 12 different color options, and all of these are Magisk modules. So next up, we are going to open Magisk Manager. I am running the latest Magisk Manager, and tap on the fourth option on the floating bar, which is the option to install modules, or go to the modules page and then install from storage. Next up, three dot menu on the top right and select show internal storage. If you get the option as hide internal storage, you need not do anything. Three bar menu on the top left, select your device's name, Poco F1, go into download, 12 colors pack _01, and choose whichever color you want to. I am going to choose the red color because red is my favorite color. Apply it successfully. Reboot your device. Now, while our device is rebooting, do note that in case you get into a boot loop after installing the Magisk module, I do have a separate video showing you how to fix a boot loop caused by a Magisk module, which can be found in the pinned comment on this video. Back into MIUI, we can unlock our device, go into Magisk Manager, and then we'll go into the modules tab. Make sure that the accent color which we installed is installed and it is active. Next up, let us have a look at our control center. There it is. You can see red accent color. We can go into settings, display, control center, and notification shade. You will see that the buttons are also in red accent color. Let us disable the control center, and bam, here it is. The old notification shade or the old control center is also in the red accent color, and the back color is also red. So there it is, peeps. That is how you change the accent color on your rooted MIUI 12 device. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.